This is an altered card. You can alter any cards using this method. I freehand cut a butterfly, my own template that I drew. This is the purchase card. This is the inside of the card. This is the inside of the card. And this is what I did for, excuse me, insert. I made fold out flowers. I decided to put a little mica glitter on here on the inside card. It's real fine. I got it at Family Dollar. And so I use a glue stick. Big Lots. And I'm putting it on there. And I hope it sticks. And I think it looks a little better. Like this. And you can see the glitter. Yep. Okay, and a little all around the flowers on the inside. Hey, I'm back. I decided to change the butterfly head right here so it'll be more uniform with the colors. And I kept the butterfly on the inside the same color that flops out of the flower. But this is the final. And this is the back. And it flips over. Thanks for watching. Have a great day.